Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Dipasha Sharma. Heat wave scorches East US as floods devastate US Midwest. Millions in the United States are experiencing extreme weather conditions with a severe heat wave affecting large parts of the country, while devastating floods have struck the Midwest. In the northwest Iowa, 13 rivers flooded the area, forcing entire neighborhoods and at least one town to evacuate. The town of Spencer imposed a curfew for the second consecutive night after floodwaters surpassed the record set in 1953. When the flood gauge in underwater, it's really high, said Eric Tigges of Clay County Emergency Management at a news conference. Iowa State Governor Kim Reynolds declared a disaster for 21 counties in northern Iowa, including Sioux County. National Guard troops assisted with water rescues and transporting needed medications lost in the flooding. Businesses are shuttered. Main streets have been impacted, Reynolds stated. Hospitals, nursing homes, and other care facilities were evacuated. Cities are without power and some are without drinkable water. South Dakota is also grappling with severe flooding. Governor declared an emergency in the southeastern part of the state, where several highways were closed due to floodwaters. Areas south of Sioux Falls received an estimated 10 to 15 inches of rain over 3 days. Emergency management officials issued a voluntary evacuation order for Dakota Dunes, a community near the Nebraska and Iowa borders, reported AP. While the Midwest battles flooding, the rest of the country is enduring a relentless heat wave. From the mid-Atlantic to Maine, the Great Lakes region and the West Coast, temperatures soared, breaking records in several areas. In Washington, D.C., Baltimore and Philadelphia, record heat waves was recorded over the weekend. In Michigan, utility crews worked tirelessly to restore power to thousands of customers after severe storms knocked out power amid the heat wave. The heat wave also led to the first heat-related deaths of the year in Idaho, where 2 people in their 60s died. New York City health officials reported a 500% increase in heat-related emergency room visits. In Texas, the governor issued a disaster declaration for 51 counties after tropical storm Alberto caused significant flooding. New Mexico requested federal assistance after wildfires forced evacuation. The climate group World Weather Attribution stated that the southern heat wave in late May was 35 times more likely due to climate change and 2.5 degrees Fahrenheit hotter. The US National Weather Service warned of the potential of rare tornadoes in the Northeast. Tornadoes struck Wisconsin, leveling the historic Apple Grove Lutheran Church. Widespread showers and thunderstorms sparked flash flooding in parts of New England and the Great Lakes. In northern Minnesota, floodwaters prompted road closures and significant damage. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, tune with us on Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.